Okay. In project 6, what he is asking us, first one, create a named range that includes all sales
Excuse
for
me, sir.
Allora. Yes,
Sir, are you sharing your screen?
I'm so sorry. I'll share it right now. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Right, thank you. And while I am doing the project 6, uh, I want Nikita and Chandrasekhar to help me out while doing itself. While doing itself, please help me out if you know. Why, when I am asking these questions, you both people can respond. So create a named range that includes all sales for Allora. Name the range as Allora Sales. Allora underscore sales. Why he has given specifically underscore here? Spaces are not allowed while naming it, right? Then question doesn't end over there. In cell L9, use a structured reference formula to calculate sales from Allora from Jan through June. Yes. Who will tell me what we need to do first? Create a named range cell that includes sales for Allora. So this is Allora. So these are the sales for Allora. What we need to do? We have to name this range as Allora Sales. So how to do that? Simply copy that name. Then select the Allora Sales. After selecting how to name this range, go to name box and paste it. Allora Sales. Click on enter. So now we defined Allora Sales name successfully. We have seen this kind of question in first 4 projects. You should say. Then in cell L9 here, he is asking us to calculate total sales of Allora from Jan to June. So what is the function we should use?
Sum.
Sum. So can you say how to do that one? Equal to sum, and he is asking us to use structured reference formula. Sum bracket
Equal
open.
to sum Allora sales from the name
Yes.
box.
Yes. Here we need to use named range. That is Allora Sales. We should not select it manually. Click close bracket, click enter. Yes, now we successfully got the total of Allora Sales from Jan to June. Right. First question completed. Then second one. Create a named range that includes all sales for 6 months. Create a named range that includes all sales for 6 months. Then name the range as all sales. Then in L10, use a structured reference formula to calculate the total sales for all the products. Same question, just a small change. Now can you say Chandrasekhar? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you help me out?
Sir, if you could explain once again.
We have to name complete all sales as all sales. We have to name this range as all sales. Then we have to use a structured reference formula to get total sales here. Same replication of first question, but a small change. Can you?
Sir, you tell it so that next time I can repeat it.
Okay. And other girl Chetana, right? Nikita. Nikita, can you say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please, Nikita.
Sir, you have to select the entire sales column for all the 6 months, sir.
It means from this 486 B12 to complete entire table. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After selecting this, what name? So
You have,
before selecting, can I copy the name?
yes, sir.
So I'll just copy this name. Right. Now I'll select that. Yes. Now what I need to do?
Go to the name box and paste the all sales.
Here.
Yes,
Paste
sir.
all cells. Click enter. Okay. So now we define the named range all sales. Then still question is asking to calculate total sales here.
Yes,
Using
sir.
structured reference formula.
Is
Yes. What
equal
we
to
need to
is
sum
equal to and all sales, sir.
all
Type.
sales.
Close the
Yes.
bracket, enter.
Super. Nice. Thank you. Then copy the headings from Jan through June. Copy the headings from Jan through June and paste the text without formatting in beginning from I11. Beginning from I11. What we need to do, we have to copy this text here from Jan through June and we have to paste from here without formatting. It means I should get only text. I should not get this green colored formatting. Okay? How to do that? How to do that? Copy. So come to I11 cell, right click, go to paste special, and here what we want? Only values. We don't want the formatting. So click only values. Click OK. Now can you see only text without formatting from I11? Is it visible? Guys, respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So this is what he is asking us. Okay, right. Then
Sir,
fourth one. Yes.
Sir, can you repeat that one?
So what we need to do? He is asking us to copy these things and paste from I11 without formatting. So formatting should not come. Only text should come while pasting. So I copied the data from here to here, Jan through June. I came to I11 cell, right click, click on paste special. So in paste special, I should not paste all. I should paste only values. I don't want formatting. So paste only values. Click OK. Is it okay?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
Thank
Okay. Yeah. Then fourth question, he is asking us to do from H12. From H12. It means this is H12. Yes. From H12 to H32, insert column spark lines. We have to insert column spark lines for the sales from Jan through June for respective products. Then in I12, this is I12, insert a column chart that displays all sales data for the January. All sales data for the January. So first we'll do first one. How to insert the spark lines? Anyone remembered? Anyone? So from where he is asking us to insert? From H12. So I selected first H12. Then go to insert. Observe carefully everyone. Go to insert. Then here you can see spark lines. Can you able to see here? Three kinds of spark lines. Line, column and winner loss. So which one he is asking us to insert? Column spark lines. So we have to select column spark lines and data. So he is asking us from Jan through June. So we have to select from Jan to June for respective product. So for this product, Jan through June. Then click OK. That's it. So we inserted in first cell, but he is asking us to do the same from H12 to H32. So now you can just hold on this tiny arrow and you can drag it till H34. Okay, but is it coming properly? Is it coming properly? I don't think so, because the mistake what we did is here in inserting sparklines, go to insert column sparkline. In data we selected correctly, like from here to here. Okay, then but we freezed this cell as H12, so we have to remove this freezing. We have to remove this freezing. By default it will come with freezing, that is dollar signs. So we have to remove this freezing. Then click OK. Now drag it. Yes, now a different kind of things has come. Okay, so right, so this is how we can insert spark lines. Then he is asking us to insert in I12 starting from this cell. Insert a column chart that displays all sales for the month of January, sales data for the month of January. It means insert, which chart he is asking? A column chart. Especially he is asking us to insert a column chart. So go to recommended charts. So then it is go to all charts, then here column chart. So click on column chart, then click OK. But we need to select the data. Here we haven't selected the data, so everything has come. So do Ctrl Z. So the best part is select first product and Jan. So only for the January data is asking us to insert. So select those two lines, product and January, then go to insert, go to recommended charts. So column, clustered column, he is asking only a column chart. So clustered bar, this is Pareto chart. So clustered column chart. Simply we can insert. So column charts, everything is like clustered column. Okay, right. So we can insert anyone from these two, either of these two. Click OK. Yes, and we have to place it from here, H or I12, starting from here. We have to just move the chart to place it from here itself. Yes, this is what he is asking. Okay, is that okay? Got it? So here in this question, actually there is some mistake in question. He should not ask the column chart over there. He should ask only column sparkline, because he is specifically asking only one cell. If he is asking about the chart, he won't specify the cell number. But the question, there is some wrong in that question, but don't worry. So there are two parts in this question. One is inserting a column sparklines. How we did it is simply we'll go to sparkline, and these are the column sparklines edit data. So instead of that, I'll just clear that one. I will insert it once again. So how to do that one? Go to insert sparklines, column sparklines, and select the data from Jan through June. Then remove this dollar signs here. Then click OK. Then after that, drag it till the end. Drag it till the end. This is how we can insert the sparklines, column sparklines. Then he is asking us for January, he is asking us to insert a chart and he is asking us to place it from I12. That is nothing but from here. Yes. Done. Then navigate to the Kalamata range and bold the contents. He is asking us to navigate to Kalamata range and bold the contents. How to navigate to that particular range? Where we can see that names, defined names, where we can see? In the name box, drop down arrow. If you see, go here, here you can see that Kalamata sales, but he hasn't defined here. Somewhere he misread Kalamata. So what we can do is, we will go to Allora Sales. So I'll just change the question to Allora Sales instead of Kalamata. Or Kalamata is there. Some city is there, Kalamata. Yes, here it is. We will define it as Kalamata Sales. I selected the range. Then we will define it Kalamata range. Kalamata Sales. Kalamata. Enough. Okay. I defined the range. Now we can follow the question. So navigate to the Kalamata range and bold the contents. So click here. So here you can see Kalamata. Click here so that it will navigate to this area. Then bold. How to bold it? Click on B. So we bolded the contents. Then last question. Set the margins to narrow. Configure the worksheet to print all data on one page in portrait layout. So what he is asking indirectly is set all print options. So we have to set the margins to narrow. Then we have to force Excel sheet to print all data in one page. That too in portrait layout. So how we can do that one? Go to file, print. So first one, what he is asking? Margins to narrow. So where are the margins? These are the margins. And click on narrow. Yes. First we set margins to narrow. Then portrait orientation, what is asking? Portrait orientation. So then we set the orientation. Then we have to, now we are getting it in two sheets. But we have to force to Excel to fit everything in one sheet. So here in scaling, we can do that one. Fit all columns in one page, or fit sheet on one page, entire sheet on one page. That's what he is asking. Yes. Now this is what? Everything is coming in one page, and that too in portrait orientation. Yes, we did it. Okay, that's what he is asking. So again I am saying, first one, we have to define a range for this area Allora Sales as Allora Sales. Then we have to use the named range in structured formula to calculate sum of Allora Sales. The same thing, second one, we need to define range for all the 6 months sales for all products. Then we have to use structured formula to get the sum of all sales. Then third one, copy the headings. So we have to copy the headings from here to here, from Jan through June. Then use paste special to paste only text without formatting. Then in fourth one, inserting the sparklines, we have to go to insert. Then sparklines, three styles is there: line, column, win or loss. So you can click on columns because specifically is asking us to insert column sparklines. Then we have to drag it down till the end because he is asking us to paste it in H12 to H32. Then we have to insert a chart for January sales. So select product and January column, go to insert recommended charts. There you can insert the column chart. Simply don't do anything, insert that chart and keep it from I12. Then navigate to Kalamata range. So go to name box, see, look for Kalamata, then select that one. You will be navigated to that range. Then bold the contents whatever is there in that range. Then last one, print preview. So in print preview, he is asking us to set the margins to narrow, then portrait to, orientation to portrait. Then we have to force Excel to print everything on one page. So these are the tasks we did in project 6.